Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Now there is no option to do this within the app of Instagram, so for that you'll need a third-party application called Followers and Unfollowers. You can find this application on the Play Store, and there is a similar application on the App Store as well. You can download this application and then open up and log into this application using your Instagram. Once you do, you will see this interface. On the top you'll see don't follow you back, and it's gonna give you a list of people or accounts that don't follow you back. You can tap on unfollow and unfollow individual people, or you can also tap on unfollow 50 from the top, and it will mass unfollow everyone at once. Other than people who don't follow you back, if you tap on the three lines that you see on the top left, you can also see other lists such as mutual friends, the people who follow you back, and other lists. So using this application, you can easily unfollow those people who don't follow you back on Instagram. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.